Good morning, class 9th. Today we'll start our first chapter of history, that is the French Revolution. Children, till 8th class you have studied about Indian history, but in 9th class we will have a look at some important events held in world also. Before we begin this chapter, you might have one question that what is the meaning of revolution? Revolution means the removal and replacement of a government. People want to replace that government as they are unhappy with its working. So, such circumstances also occurred in France in 14 July 1789. The city of Paris was in a state of alarm. फ्रांस में 14 जुलाई को सब जगह आतंक फैला हुआ था. The king had commanded troops to move into the city and king commanded army to move into the city. Rumors spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizens. और citizens पे open fire करने के लिए order कभी भी दे सकता था. Some 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a people's militia, means they decided to form a people's army. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms and they entered into many government buildings for searching arms. Hathiyar. Finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison, the Bastille. Bastille was a fort in the eastern part of Paris which was used as a state prison, जहाँ पे prisoners को रखा जाता था. Okay, jail. Whereby they hoped to find hoarded ammunities. Ammunities means gola barud. So they thought that they would get the ammunities which was collected over there. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released. Though there was only 7 of them, only 7 prisoners were there, but they released all those prisoners and commander was killed. Yet the Bastille was hated by all because it stood for despotic power of the king. Despotic means nirankush, जिस पे किसी का अंकुश ना हो. So despotic power of the king. It means that a king who used to apply his power in a cruel and unfair way. और king क्या करता था, वो हर किसी को भी वो जेल में डाल देता था. Finally, the fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the markets to all those who wished to keep a souvenir of its destruction. और finally जो भी उस बिल्डिंग के जो फ्रेगमेंट्स थे, स्टोन फ्रेगमेंट्स थे, उनको मार्केट में सेल आउट कर दिया. और किन्होंने उसको खरीदा? Those who wanted to keep as a souvenir, means as a remembrance, निशानी के तौर पर जो उसको रखना चाहते थे. Here in this picture also you can see which was made soon after the demolition of the Bastille. An artist made prints commemorating the event. This event was held on 14th July. That is why this 14th July is celebrated as Bastille Day in France even today also. But here one question arises that why this revolution happened and why people took such steps. Okay, why they revolt against the government, as the Louis XVI was the ruler at that time. Okay, but people were so unhappy with him that they started revolt and they formed their own military and they demolished the Bastille. Let us move on to the next page. Here, French society during the late 18th century, how the society was there. Actually, the society was divided into 3 estates. First estate was composed of clergies, means church. जिसमें सारे प्रीस्ट वगैरह आते थे, चर्च के प्रीस्ट. Second estate was comprised of privileged social class, that is nobility, and third estate was composed of big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, peasants and artisans, small peasants, landless labor, and servants. And because the society had such imbalanced subdivision, this was the main social cause. Okay, there were also causes besides social cause, like economic causes, political causes, immediate causes, and influence of the philosophers and writers, that was known as spiritual causes. We will discuss in our next session. Thank you.